The world's changing, and what any student in any program has to do is prepare themselves for those changes. The goal of Mechatronics is to provide the necessary technical background so that any graduate is well prepared for that, but also providing the soft skills, work experiences, and life experiences that will make them most suited for careers in industry moving forward. My name is Michael Jenkin, and I'm Director of the Mechatronics program here at York. From the very first class in Mechatronics, students will build mechatronic systems that solve real-world problems, and that's a core component of the program. The program also includes requirements in leadership and management, which will be very advantageous for the students when they go on to future work. And it also has a work-integrated learning program in which students take the technologies they've learned in the Mechatronics program and apply them to real-world tasks. One of the things that's particularly exciting about Mechatronics is that the systems interact with the real world. So it's not just something in software that exists in simulated isolation. It's something that manipulates and monitors things that happen there. That makes it a very exciting and interesting place to work.
I'm Diksha Chandola. I'm currently a student in the Vision Graphics and Robotic Labs working under Professor Michael Jenkin. The most surprising fact about working in Mechatronics is that it actually involves AI, psychology. Most importantly, it centers around human interaction. It is not just about designing something or writing codes. This field is more about working on real impact projects, a societal need projects such as the social robot called SentryBot that interacts with people, understand their emotions in real time and tailor its responses based on how the person is feeling. So that is a very great example of how mechatronics can be useful in such case scenarios where the social robot can de-escalate a conflicting situation where not understanding the emotions can lead to a worst case scenarios.
Mechatronics is an interesting place for people that have a broad range of interests, from software development to system control to sensing to mechanical engineering. It's a place where you can bring all those just together to build systems that interact with the real world. And if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, then Mechatronics is the right program for you.